Good morning, my friends. So today again I came in front of all of you as usual. Today I brought a new story that is just done how you become arrogant, how you become pridey about your looking appearance, about your smartness, about your figure, how it is drastic, how it is problematic for your future. Going to narrate and hope that you will try to understand the ethic, the morality of this story. Once upon a time in a village, a beautiful garden was over there. So this reason there was lot of birds, lot of wing were there. In that birds, a blue color sparrow was living. It was only one bird which was the attracting center of everyone's for every wing who were living there. Due to this reason, outsider villager also come to take enjoy of this thing, to take enjoy of this environment. In that series, one day 5 persons family came to see that environment, to see that charming environment. In that, a son said, my father, I want to take this bird because look of this is very good, it is attracting to me, eyes is black and wings is blue. So this reason, please give me it. My father, get me it anyhow, it is a very good, I will take it to my home. Until you will not give me, I will not take food. It is a oath of that son. So this reason the father said, okay my dear, I will give you anyhow in any circumstances. He made lot of idea to stuck that greedy, that clever bird, but always he became failed to stuck that. One day the birthday of Cuckoo was ongoing. In that birthday, every bird were involved to decorating that tree. Someone was taking flowers, someone was taking fruit, someone was taking grains, but he was alone. He was sitting on that branch where he was in initial, because that was so pridey, that was so arrogant about his wings, about his color, about his body figure. So he never ever talked with anyone who were living over there. Then the father came and thought, made a idea and scattered some grain of wheat over there, and over that grain he scattered a net of thread and made idea, when the bird will come to take this grain, I will stuck in that to this bird and will gift to my son according to his oath. Then he hidden to self behind the bushes behind tree, and the bird came to take that grains, started eating. At that moment the father came and stuck that in strap in that net and kept to that in a basket. And when he was going, at that moment he thought some tiredness, exhausted, and thought to take rest, and after a while I can go, I can give to my son. Now I have stuck to this bird, which was the desire of my son, which was the oath of my son, which was the attraction of my dear son. Then he sat under the tree, and when he was taking rest, at that moment he got sleepy and went sleep. At that moment all other birds, all other cuckoo, crows, parrots came over there and thought, how you stuck here. Then that pridey bird narrated everything and asked for, save me, save my life. I am so same, I am so embarrassed. I have never keep friendship with you. I have never helped you. Please help me. It is my desire. Otherwise, this hunter, this will kill me. Please save me. Then that pirate said, when he will get up, make idea, make pretend to die, then he will keep outside, then you can flee. This is only one idea, this is only one option. By that you can save yourself, otherwise you will kill by that. by that father, by this hunter. So this reason, when the father of that son get up, and then he saw that that bird was made pretend of die. Seeing to this, he was surprised how it happened. Then he took to that bird and kept outside, because he was thinking that it is the reason of suffocation. He is not getting clear breath, he is not taking clear breath. Due to this reason, it is a unconscious thing. So this reason kept outside from that basket. After keeping there, that bird flew from there. And seeing to this thing, the father thought it was a pretend, it was a cleverness of this bird. That's why I got this result, and this bird flew. What will I do with my son? What will I give to that according to oath? Then the birds went to the friends who were given to the instruction, who were given the ideas about it, and said, my friends, please apologize me, because it was my arrogant, my pride. That's why I have never talked to you. Please sorry to, please sorry, and please apologize to me. It was the word, it was sentences uttered by that birds. Then everyone given forgive to them, and they were living together. So if is happening with you, if you are also becoming like this, then don't think that which you are thinking, one day you will get to that for the his help. Your need will be that person will be your need. Don't be proud, don't be proudful about your arrogant, about your looking, about your smartness. It is a given by that creature. It is not for the arrogant, it is not for becoming proud. Hope that you will try to understand the ethic, the morality of this story. Everyone's which is created here, they will also destroy, they will also die. Who is ugly, who is smartness? So don't keep this kind of any unnecessary thing in your mind. Otherwise everyone's life who is having this kind of negativity will lose his life very soon in comparison to all other. So hope that you will try to understand the ethic, the morality of this story. Tomorrow I will meet you again. Till then, bye bye.